Okay, to play Windows games on Linux Mint system, all you need to do is download Heroic Games Launcher from its website or from the Software Manager app on Linux Mint. When you complete installing the launcher, open it and log in with Epic or GOG or Prime Gaming, whatever you have. Now all the games you own will appear on the Library tab, which you can install and play. Install a game you own or a free game so that it can set up the compatibility layer automatically. And if you go to Adventure on the Seas for games, you can add the game from the Add Game button here. All you need to do is click on the Add Game fill in the title and select the .exe file from the game location.